What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is day 9 of the vlogging series, and I got a video for you guys. Today was about a lot of ups and a lot of downs. I forgot to record the intro, so I'm doing it right now. But I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me for today. It's gonna be a roller coaster one, but I appreciate everybody who like, comment, and subscribe, and roll to 10K. And I need to go to Staples to see if they have the inkjet printer, so if I could print out my transfer papers, so I could put them on a hat. So this is what we're doing right now. I didn't have work today because we're on a payment hold. If you know anything about construction, sometimes you get on payment holds, but it's good for me because I got other things to do and I could catch up on everything. I need guys content for my clothing brand. Like I said, I do own a clothing brand called Be Wear Mine, and I am bringing it back. So right now we're outside of Staples. I'm about to go in and see if they can print out my transfer papers for me, and then get it going, get them put on a hat, see if the sample looks good, and if it do look good, I'll put them out. All right, guys, change the plans. I just ordered the DTF line right now, so it should be coming in like 2-3 days. My homie has a press down for me, so this week I will have the sample hat up. If you guys like it, you guys let me know. But yeah, as of right now, that was a complete fail. It's gonna take my whole day, and now I gotta scratch that. I'm gonna go return 2 of the packages I got yesterday, just so I can get my money back, because I'm not really gonna use the other ones until like another time. But that's what I got today. I gotta go back to downtown LA and go return them. That's the only thing that sucks. That's like a 40-minute drive for me, but we gotta do what we gotta do. It's my first time ever doing DTF, and so it's like a learning process for me as well. You know, the only thing that sucks is I gotta waste gas, but I'll see you guys when I go downtown LA. I can't film down there, but if I do anything else, I'll pick up the camera. Appreciate everybody for tuning in and watching this road with me. Like I said, it's brand new. Everything's brand new to me right now, so gotta roll with the punches, baby. Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's been a minute since the last clip. I ain't gonna lie, it's been a day. Like, nothing went right today. Like, first of all, I went to Staples, and then I couldn't print out the things I had to print out, and then I was gonna put them on a hat today, but that didn't happen. And then I went to go to LA to return the other ones I had, to find out I didn't bring the other 3 that I had. So that was a little frustrating. Even on the way back home, it was like everything went wrong today, and I literally couldn't do anything I wanted to do. Oh, I'm just out of view right now, just chilling, because every time I feel very overwhelmed, I had to go to like something that makes me peace, like I find peace in, and a lot of it's like views and everything. Like, as if you see my other videos, I was at like an overview of the ocean. Now I'm like looking over LA right now, but just like stuff like that is like, even when I was on my drive back home, I was like thinking not good things, and I was like, man, what is it all this like for? Even though I know it's just like a little like, first it was yesterday. There's a lot of bugs here, but first it was yesterday with when I was filming and I went to go edit and everything was in slow motion. First it was that, and then a lot of it's like my shoulder, like it was hurting a lot, but now it's like I could still feel it. Like, it's not really there like pain like all day, but it's more like if I move it or do something with it, it hurts a lot. But you know, just not being able to really go to the gym like that, it like frustrates with me, because to the gym my mind goes down a little bit. Like, I need the gym to feel sane, and you know, I can't really, there's not a lot I could do at the gym right now other than cardio and sauna. But it's just frustrating when I finally set out to do something and everything is not working. But I know there's a progress with that, and not everything's gonna be easy, or there's a lot of things I have to fight to get through. But today was just one of those days where I was like reaching my breaking point. I'm like, alright, like I just need to go somewhere and reset, and that's what I'm doing right now. I don't know if you guys see the beautiful mountains behind me. I have a view in front of me, but the sun's going down right now, so. But yeah, I just want to be fully transparent, real and raw. This is basically everything that happened today. And like I said, like every time I get so excited for something, there's always roadblocks every single time. It is crazy now that I'm doing this. There's a lot more roadblocks I had to go through, but at the end of the day, this is something I want to do. There's something I set out to do, and of course, when you are doing that, when you take a leap of faith, there's gonna happen, and you're gonna have to overcome it. And I just bring myself back to last year's, like when that all was happening, and everything was just like a straight down line, and I had to just keep my head above water, and that was a big thing I had to learn. And now I gotta keep using it for everything I'm doing now. So it's a lesson I had to learn a while ago, and now I have to continue to use it because I want to be great. I want to do something with my life, and you know, even if it's talking to the camera, you know, it's something that I find joy in. And every time I press that upload button, I get so excited. Like every time I do it, it's like, all right, you did something today, and I feel accomplished. But I haven't been, like, the main thing is just me not being able to go to the gym that often. That's like kind of frustrating because, like I said, every time I don't go to the gym, it's like everything else falls with it. But I know it's not my fault. It's not like there's nothing I could really do but let it heal on its own. But it still hurts. It's not as bad as before, but I feel like I need to keep it more raw with you guys. And I just spent 3 hours in the car for no reason, and it was a frustrating part, but I gotta learn to just, you know, just keep going. That's the message of the day. Just keep going, no matter how hard things get. There's always gonna be roadblocks in anything you do. Anything you try to pursue, there's gonna be roadblocks. But just overcoming is the best thing. But I'm gonna go to the gym right now. I just need to take a little breather real quick, and I am gonna go to the gym right now. I'm gonna like take 3 scoops of pre-workout and just have a session. Not really try to pull anything, but yeah, that was my mind. That's how I'm feeling for today. Like, I have very big expectations for myself, and I've been like that since I was younger. Like, I hold myself on a pedestal, not even like bragging or anything. People who are my age don't have the mind that I do, and you know, there's a lot of goals in my life that seems like it's so unreachable, and I somehow put my mind to it and I accomplish it. So I know I could do a lot more, but I'm probably not even making sense right now. But I know I could do a lot more. It's just not falling to the top. It's not easy, and you know, there's a lot more that comes with that. And I just feel like every time I rush something, it doesn't feel right to me. So I gotta learn to take my time, and that's what a lot of people say. A lot of people will be telling me, you gotta take your time, you gotta be patient, your time is coming. But you know, it's literally day by day. I just gotta remind myself it's day by day. Tomorrow's a whole new day. As long as you wake up, you are blessed. No matter how much work I put into myself, there's always gonna be something. There's always gonna be something, and you might not like it, but you gotta. There's nothing you could do. You gotta just stick with it, and that's what I'm doing. You know, I was like, oh, what am I doing this vlogging series? Like, like I said, when I was in the car, I wasn't thinking good thoughts. I was like, I was ready to quit. I was like, even just one bad day, like, want to just say, all right, whatever. Not a lot of people watching me. Like, it's just like, nah, you can't quit. Like, you already said it. That's just my thoughts for today. But yeah, I'm gonna chill a little bit here longer, and I'm gonna go to home, take some pre-workout, and then just go to the gym and do my cardio, see if I can lift a little bit. The only thing about the shoulder is, like, that's back, that's arms, that's everything. I'm really limited right now, and I'm not trying to hurt it more. It's been a week already since it happened, and I've been taking care of it for 4 days. So 3 days, I wasn't taking care of it. So now I gotta, you know, face the consequences of that. But we'll be better. That's all I strive for, is to be better 1% every single day. Let me show you the view. I haven't came up here in a long time because I remember I posted one time that I was here and I never came back again. But I love this view. You know, there's a lot of bugs right now.
A few moments later.
I go by the name of Ace, by the way.
Look, I told niggas I was gonna win, they ain't believe me. Turn around after turn around like mid-season. She a slip they bitch, but she got a lot of cleavage. Roll tide, bet she gon' roll over when I bleed her. All these bitches rollers can't be fucking on no skeezer. Got a purple beam, hit him, make him scream like Vegeta. Niggas really fast like Peppa Pig, I can't believe it. All this Instagram beef got niggas thinking they're a demon. Little bitch bad, but her friend gon' make it even. Hit it from the back, but her friend gon' make her eat it. Smoking out the pack, exotic flavors got me wheezing. How the fuck I throw this nigga every bullet, I'm barely squeezing. She tryna show me love, but I don't need it. Overdosing off the buzz, she need a breather. Gangsters don't live long, niggas, so get your cheese up. I'm sitting on wins, couple L's, we ain't gon' speak up.
Little bitch bad, but her friend gon' make it even. Hit it from the back, but her friend gon' make her eat it. Smoking out the pack, exotic flavors got me wheezing. How the fuck I throw this nigga every bullet, I'm barely squeezing. She tryna show me love, but I don't need it. Overdosing off the buzz, she need a breather. Gangsters don't live long, niggas, so get your cheese up. I'm sitting on wins, couple L's, we ain't gon' speak up.
God damn. Everything I said earlier, throw it out the window. I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling happy. I got my feelings out to the camera. I was like upset a little bit still, but once I hit the gym and had that pre-workout, ooh, I was back to normal. I was back to my happy self. But that's what I mean. If you're struggling, you gotta go to the gym. Like, you know, I can't do anything upper, so I did legs today, and as you saw, I was throwing on them plates like it was nothing. But yeah, I had a good gym session, and I appreciate yeah, everything I said earlier, throw it out the window. I don't know what I was talking about. I was talking crazy. Nah, I'm just playing. It was a rough day, but that's how you turn it around. You go to the gym, and that was making you mad. You think about it when you're in the gym, and you're gonna perform good in the gym. So that's my advice for today. Go to the gym if you're feeling upset, or if you need something to make you feel better. Bro, I've been watching too much ghost shit that I feel like I'm seeing things. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I finally did something a little different. You know, the beginning was a little rough, but I ended up with a bang. That's how you do it. That's how you turn your day around, like I said, and I'll say it again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Back to regular schedule tomorrow, and I appreciate everybody. Like I always say, I appreciate everybody for watching and tuning in, liking and commenting and subscribing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.